Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to spend a total of 10 cities stamina in Neverness to Everness. Completing this is really easy. First of all, open city tycoon from your phone, then go to races. Under it we need to select the first challenge, then select the second option from here, which is Shauji. Then it will ask you to change your time, so just select it and then the time will be automatically changed like this. Now we need to go back from here and open your map and head to this race location. So we just need to come here. You will find this person, just talk with him. After that, select any events. Now choose I'd like to join. Now we have to choose the character and select vehicle selection from bottom right. Now choose the vehicle you want to use in race and start your race. So race will be very simple, just keep moving forward and you will be able to easily win this race. After the race ends, the objective will be completed, so we just have to wait for the cutscene to finish. You can see I have also got some fonts as well. Now if I go to the quest menu, you can see the objective has been completed and I'll be able to level up my city tycoon level. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.